Hello guys, and today I'm back with a new product for review, and what I have to review today is the Milky Mist Cheese Cubes. So guys, these are processed cheese cubes from the brand Milky Mist, which is a dairy company in India, and today we are going to review their cheese cubes right here. So starting off guys, let's talk about the packaging of the product. It comes in this box like a container right here. It has the Milky Mist branding right on top of it. And it says the name of the product is processed cheese cubes. Illustration of the cheese is shown right here. This pack contains 10 cubes in it, and cheese, as you all know, is rich in protein, nourishing of cow's milk. It says net quantity of this pack is 200 grams, in which you receive 10 cubes or 20 grams each. It's a pure vegetarian product, so the vegetarian symbol can be seen here. Moving on to the size of the pack, again we have the Milky Mist branding. Cheese cubes is written here, processed cheese cube, 10 cubes you get in this, and that's the information there. Moving on to the back of the pack, the net weight is mentioned 200 grams, and the MRP of this pack is rupees 150. Store refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius or below under hygienic conditions. On opening, transfer the cheese along with the inner foil into an airtight container. Ingredients of this product is cheese, emulsifiers and preservatives, and that's all the information. Then there is nutritional information given here. So guys, let's go ahead and open this pack. So I'm just going to quickly open it, and inside, this is how the cheese cubes look inside it. So we have a total of 10 cubes inside, so I'm just going to quickly pick one, show it to you. So this is how the cheese comes packaged inside, packed wonderfully into like square shaped cubes right here, and it comes packed in a silver foil. You can see this. Now we'll just quickly go ahead and open it. Very easy to open. You just have to pick up one flip like this, and then just pull it up, and it just opens like this. And here is the cheese, right? And then you can easily pull off the sides, and you get a full cube of cheese. So this is the Milky Mist processed cheese cube right here, and this is of 20 grams. Now let's talk about the texture. It has a smooth texture, not very soft. Good solid texture it has, not very soft like the soft cheese that you get from Britannia Laughing Cow, but a nice thick texture. It's very good to shred on like your pizzas or sandwiches. It's a perfect thing to do. Now let's talk about what are the pros of this cheese from Milky Mist. First of all, it's a creamy taste which is kid friendly. All kids love cheese. Good source of calcium and protein, and it also melts well for recipes. Like if you want to add it on sandwiches or pizzas, it melts well when you heat it. Now let's talk about the cons of this cheese. It's high in fat and sodium because it has salt, and cheese is made of milk fat. So yes, that is a con for it. And it needs refrigeration, right? If you keep the cheese out, it's going to get spoiled. So those are the only cons that I see. Now, what is the best way to use this cheese? One is you can use it in cheese sandwiches. You can shred and put it in cheese sandwiches. You can top it up on pizzas and pastas. You can add it to parathas and wraps. Snack with crackers. You can add it on crackers like Monaco or other salted crackers. You can add this piece of cheese on that, and it goes well. So now guys, coming to the taste test of this cheese. I'm going to quickly do a taste test of the cheese. I'm just going to quickly break it up into a small piece. I'm going to taste it. Nice creamy cheese. Tastes amazing. You can also add it to salads. Nice. From a taste and texture, I would give this cheese a definitely a 4 or 5. 4 out of 5 for its amazing taste and texture, and for the good packaging that it comes in, which is very easy to peel off. So So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.